In this video, I will show you how you can enable USB debugging on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, or the S26 Ultra. Now to do that, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just scroll down and tap on About Phone. From here, just scroll down and tap on Software Information. Then tap on the build number a few times until you enable developer options. Now it will ask you to enter your lock screen PIN. Just enter your lock screen PIN, then tap on continue. And as you can see, we have successfully enabled developer options. Now just go back. And in the main settings page, if you scroll down even more, you will find the option for developer options. Now just tap on it. And under developer options, if you scroll down a bit, you will find the option for USB debugging. Now if the USB debugging option is grayed out, then just go back to the main settings page. And from here, just tap on Security and Privacy. Now on this page, you will find the option for Auto Blocker. Now just disable Auto Blocker, then enter your lock screen PIN and select Continue. Now after you turn off Auto Blocker, then just go back to the main settings page and tap on Developer Options. Over here, you will notice that the USB debugging option is not grayed out, and you will be able to enable USB debugging. Just enable the toggle and select OK. And as you can see, we have successfully enabled USB debugging on our Samsung phone. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.